First of all, I'm offering obeisances to the Guruvar, my most Bhakta Swami Srinivaman Goswami Maharaj, and the Shiksha Guru Sannyas Guru Nitya Lila Pravishta Vishnupad, Asodasakasi Srimad Bhaktivedanta, Sri Narayan Goswami Maharaj's lotus feet for my Ananta Koti Sangat Pranam. After that, to Nitya Lila Pravishta Vishnupad, Asodasakasi Srimad Bhaktivedanta Goswami Maharaj, and also present all the Sanjay Prabhu and all the Vaishnavas, all the Matajis and all those who are lovers of Harikatha, at their lotus feet, as befitting, I am offering my Dandava Prakams to you this afternoon meeting, Rayananda Samarnath, concerning Rayananda, we have been listening. So Prabhu has told in a very beautiful way in Bhumika as an introduction the story of Ramananda Rai. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami tells in a very beautiful way in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Lila, 8th chapter, Ramananda is the Samvat of Ramananda Rai. In a very beautiful way it has been described. Just now you have been hearing O Mahaprabhu, the internal association of him, Swarup Damodar, Rayananda, Sikhi Mahiti, and Madhavi. Devi is considered half associate. Rayananda Ramananda, we have heard very beautiful way about him. Rashik Vaishnava, for hearing from the Rashik Vaishnava, the transcendental pastimes, Mahaprabhu, through each devotee, he manifested different things. Therefore, Mahaprabhu, for whatever reason he has appeared, taking the complexion and mood of Srimati Radharani, he has manifested himself, manifested as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Krishna took the mood and the complexion of Srimati Radharani and appeared as Gauranga and Navadvip. The reason that we listen for what reasons Krishna took this mood and complexion of Radharani. You have heard this, but how do we do Anushilan of this? If there is a very dear associate of Lord Chaitanya, then we can hear from them. Although Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had taken Diksha Mantra from Puri Goswami and Keshav Bharati had taken sannyas, but after sannyas he went to Jagannath Puri. And having come there, he was associated with Ramananda Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. You've heard the story of how Lord Chaitanya met with Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Brihaspati is the incarnation of Brihaspati. And Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is Mayavad philosophy. The Lord Chaitanya defeated and established Vaishnavism. And thereafter, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya himself told that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu going to the southern, go to South India, and then we have to certainly meet Ramananda Rai. This is what Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya told Lord Chaitanya. Ramananda Rai is no ordinary person. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was a Sabhapati, and he is he was some kind of Vijayanagar was being managed by King Pratapruta. So the king of Orissa, he had also control over Vijayanagar in South India. The kings, they had many Vaishnavas also in their court. So Ramananda Roy is not a ordinary soul. Before he had meeting Lord Chaitanya, he had written very special books like Jagannath Natha. Such a beautiful book. If you read that, you will keep on crying. It is such a beautiful narration, and therefore he wrote actually about King Pratapruta, but in reality he was his narration of Krishna. So as we do Kirtan, Ramananda, Kalayati Nayana Nishi Nishi Galitam. In reality, King Prataprutra's externally it looks like he's glorifying the king, but internally he is glorifying Krishna. So in a very beautiful way, through Kirtan, etc., he gave his, manifested his learning, and going forward, Chaitanya himself glorifies Ramananda in different places. And what did Lord Chaitanya do with Chota Haridas? He gave him punishment. Sarvabhauma himself sent Chota Haridas to Madhavi's house to get rice for Lord Chaitanya. But Lord Chaitanya heard that and he asked, "Where did you get this rice from?" And then he was told that Chota Haridas had brought it from Madhavi's house. And what did Lord Chaitanya was asking, who brought it, this rice? And Bhagwan Das said, Chota Haridas. So Lord Chaitanya got so angry. We have heard all this story. I'm telling it in a short. So Lord Chaitanya always also rejected Kala. Krishna was attracted to the girl of the gypsies. He went there and got him, but then when he returned, he rejected him. But Ramananda Rai, his special position, he was glorifying him. Lord Chaitanya himself, by seeing a wooden form of a woman, my mind gets disturbed. But Ramananda Rai's mind doesn't get disturbed. These stories has all been narrated. Padmanabh, there was a brahmachari. Was a brahmachari, he was very proud of being and he wanted to hear from Lord Chaitanya, who was a sannyasi, and said, "I want to hear from your lotus mouth, Harikatha." And Lord Chaitanya said, "What do I know? Go to Ramananda Rai to listen Harikatha." So Pradyumna Mishra then went to the house of Ramananda Rai, and at that time he was not at home. To write his book was in a separate place, in a like a secret place. He was practicing presenting the natak, or how do you say the natak?
और स्त्रियों के साथ, अत्यंत सुंदर लड़कियों के साथ,
he was with very beautiful in a secluded place. He was doing all these natak leelas. Listening there, Pradyumna's mind was little disturbed and came back. Chaitanya is all-knowing. So he asked, did you hear Katha from Ramananda? So he said, go tomorrow and listen from him. And then he came back the second day. Pradyumna Mishra went back to the house. And then at that time he was at home and he was sitting. So he said, Mahaprabhu sent me to hear Harikatha from your lotus mind. As soon as he heard the name of Lord Chaitanya, Ramananda started to tell such beautiful katha, and then Pradyumna Mishra was very, very astonished to hear from him. Being of high class and very attractive, and all these things, Chaitanya, qualification that Ramananda, who in a secluded place was taking care of all these girls, Lord Chaitanya was not avoiding him. Ramananda was called Mahabhagavad. As Sarvabhaumacharya told Lord Chaitanya, you going to South India, please meet Ramananda Rai. Lord Chaitanya went touring South India and came to the banks of Godavari. At that time, he took bath and offered oblation in the waters. He left that place and went to another place, and that place Ramananda Rai. He came in his palanquin, and the Brahmanas were offering prayers. There is a Nitya. He is not an ordinary person. He is himself. Radharani's Astashakis. Vishaka Devi, Vishaka Sekhi, Vishaka Sakhi. Lalita says, Swarup Damodar, Lalita Sakhi, and Ramananda Rai is Vishaka Sakhi. So Mahaprabhu understood. So when Ramananda Rai came, and as soon as Lord Chaitanya saw him, his mind was completely jubilant. He was very, very happy to meet him. And Ramananda met with Chaitanya, and the Brahmanas were astonished. This is a Sudra, was considered a Shudra, and this sannyasi, and they are embracing each other so intimately. How is this possible? But what is the meaning? When there is a Shuddha Bhakta, knows Bhakta, and Bhakta, Shuddha Bhakta knows the Lord, and the Lord knows the Shuddha Bhakta. Lord Chaitanya was so moved, and then after taking bath, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Ramananda Rai met. There is one word written, Sandhya Kalya Prabhu. Mahaprabhu was so enthusiastic to meet Ramananda Rai. Sandhya Satya Milan, Sandhya Kalya. Yes, the afternoon and the night when they meet is called Sandhya. So Lord Chaitanya was so eager to meet Ramananda Rai. This whole story is being starting there. Suddha Bhakt and another Bhakt. Sudabhakti Charu Paraspanu Anapade. They discuss Hari Katha.
एक शुद्ध भक्त जब
One
मिलते
Shuddha Bhakta
हैं
and another Shuddha
और
Bhakt
उत्कंठित होते हैं
and become very enthusiastic to discuss the Leela of the Lord
हम लोग के हमारे हृदय में जैसे भाव
in our heart.
किंतु देखो महाप्रभु
But
इतने
Mahaprabhu
उत्कंठित थे
was so
राज के
eager
साथ में
to meet Ramananda Rai.
जिसके कथा प्रसंग जो है हमारे
This
श्री
Katha
विश्वनाथ
Prasad,
चक्रवर्ती
Vishwanath
पास
Chakravarti
भागवत
Pad
ग्रंथ में
is
सुंदर रूप में वर्णन
explaining in a
किया
beautiful way in his book.
राधा जी की भाव
Radha's
जानने के लिए
Bhav.
किसका आश्रय करना पड़ेगा
To know that, we have to take shelter of Vishaka Devi.
जब तक विशाखा देवी के
As
आश्रय
long
ग्रहण
as we
नहीं करें
don't take the
तब
shelter
तक
of Vishaka
वास्तव
Devi,
में
till
हम
then
राधा जी की
we
भाव को
cannot
ग्रहण करें
understand the
इसमें
Bhav
हमारे
of
विश्वनाथ
Srimati
चक्रवर्ती
Radharani.
पाद
Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad
श्री
there,
कृष्ण भागवत
the
में
Krishna
ग्रंथ में
Bhamrita,
लीला कथा भी वर्णन
Krishna
करते हैं
tells a
एक
story.
समय कृष्ण
One time Krishna
घर में रहे बाहर नहीं रहे
was inside.
और बहुत समय रहे कुछ समय के बाद मधुमंगल
And
आ
then
गए
Madhumangal came
मधुमंगल
there
के
after
देख
a long
करके
time and seeing Madhumangal,
कृष्ण कहने लगे
Krishna
मधुमंगल
said, Madhumangal,
तुम इतने समय पर कहाँ थे
where were you all this time?
तुम्हारे साथ मिलने के लिए मैं बहुत उत्सुक हूँ
I was very eager to
उस
meet
समय
you.
मधुमंगल कहने लगे देखो
Madhumangal
आज
was
मैं
saying today
एक मंत्र शिक्षा करने के लिए
to get the mantra,
मैं चला गया
I left.
आगे की बात है मंत्र शिक्षा करने के लिए
Mantra Siksha, to teach or to
अच्छा
learn.
तो उसने कहा कि मंत्र क्या शिक्षा किया
So what mantra did he
किसको
learn?
भाव देकर मुख देख करके मैं बता देता हूँ उसको क्या चिंतन करता है
By seeing someone's face, I can tell what
देखो
he's
कृष्ण
thinking
कहने
of.
लगे मधुमंगल ये बताओ
So Krishna
मुझे
said,
देख करके बताओ मैं किसको चिंतन कर रहा हूँ
look at me and tell me what I'm thinking of.
मधुमंगल ऐसे आंख बंद
Madhumangal
करके
closed
मंत्र
his
जप
eyes and did this mantra jap. There's no mantra.
कुछ समय के बाद ऐसे हाथ उंगली आदि
And then he was like doing something with his hands, pretending.
ऐसे तो मधुमंगल भी ऐसे करना शुरू कर दिया बोले हाँ
And then he said,
बोले
yes,
मेरा मंत्र सिद्धि हो
my
गई
mantra is Siddhi.
देखो
Look,
आप ये चिंतन करें मैं बता देती
what you're thinking of, I will
एक
tell you.
सुंदर सरोवर
A beautiful
उस
lake,
सरोवर में
and on that lake,
एक राजहंसी
Rajhamsi and Swan.
विचरण था और उनके साथ
And
और कुछ जो है
with that swan,
हैं?
Rajhamsi,
हाँ, एक
Rajhamsi, Swan,
राजहंसी भी विचार विचरण करे उनके आसपास में
and
और
around
कुछ
him,
कुछ जो है हंसी भी है
no, more
और देखते
swans.
देखते एक
And
कृष्ण
seeing all
भक्त
that,
की
a black
और एक हंसा
swan came.
एक सफेद वर्ण होता है
White
हंसी
swan, you have the
और एक राजहंस कैसे था वो
Rajhamsa black,
कृष्ण भक्त।
Krishna Vana, black collar.
और वो हंस
And
जो है
the swan,
कृष्ण भक्त काले जो कृष्ण
the black
हंस जो है वो सफेद वाला राजहंस के पीछे पीछे
was
किंतु देखो राजहंस
going after the white swan, the
वो
female
इसमें
swan.
डुबकी लगा
And then he went on the water,
और उसके लिए वो काले वर्ण कृष्ण वर्ण के
and
जो
the
राजहंस
black
है,
swan
वो खोज नहीं पाया
couldn't find them. He also went under the ground, under the water,
सफेद वाला राजहंस नहीं इतने चलते
and the white
वो
swans were
बहुत
so.
दूर जा करके फिर उठे। उसके देख करके वो
Oh,
कृष्ण
the
वर्ण
white
के
swans were
राजहंस
so
जो है,
on
उसके
dry.
पकड़ लिए। इतने जब मधुमंगल ऐसे बोलने लगे
Oh, here.
कृष्ण के आंख बड़ी बड़ी हो गई और आंखों से
Krishna's eyes became big and he was crying. He was so much into bhav. And Krishna said, Madhumangal, tell,
क्या वो कृष्ण वर्ण जो राजहंस
did that black swan,
कभी पकड़ पाएंगे
will we ever be able to get hold of that white swan? And Madhumangal said, I have to think about it. I have to meditate on that. Then he closed his eyes and he started to meditate. Mantra, there is no mantra. And he was like, yeah, he was like just like a tantric. He was like pretending. putting his hair this way and then that way and this way, back and forth, making a big show. They have a big, shaking their big bunch of hair. So Madhumangal was also pretending like that. So in front of Krishna, Krishna said, Madhumangal, you tell that king swan, that black swan, will we ever be able to get hold of the sea swan? And after some time, Madhumangal said, look, to catch that white swan is very difficult. And hearing that, tears came from Krishna. And then Krishna said, Madhumangal, tell, is there any mantra to get hold of this swan? Madhumangal said, okay, I'll do the mantra again. There is no any mantra. Just like Tantric, he is like pretending. And then he said, yes, he will get hold of him. He said, oh, how? By taking shelter of Vishaka. To get the rajas, you have to get Visakha. It's a very beautiful way it is told. Visheshaka. Vishaka. Yeah, one has to take shelter of Vishaka, then you can get the rasa of Srimati Radharani. Ki Jai. So, Krishna was advised by Madhumangal to take shelter of Vishaka in order to conquer Radharani. So long we don't take shelter of Vishaka, we cannot close to Srimati Radhika. That was about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. After taking sannyas, went to Jagannath Puri, and in Jagannath Puri again he was associating, met with Vishaka Devi in the form of Ramananda Rai. Vishaka's birth and Radharani's birth coincides. She's called Anuradha. The bhav of Radharani, the mood of Radharani is the same as the Virat of Vishaka. Lalita is called Prakhara Sakhi. In Krishna Leela, where Lalita Devi lives, Krishna stays further away. Where Lalita lives, Prakhara Sakhi, she's called Lalita Devi. In Ujjwal Mani Granth, this is described, but Ramananda, Vishaka Devi, she is close to Radharani always. Till we take shelter of Vishaka Devi, the bhav, the mood of Radharani cannot be captured, understood. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
और बड़े उत्कंठित होने लगे, इस कथा में यहाँ पर छोड़ दिया, जे महाप्रभु राजनंद के साथ मिले मिले उत्कंठित होने लगे.
Lord Chaitanya was eager to meet Ramananda's Rai, and in the afternoon they sat together and Lord Chaitanya would ask questions. Lord Chaitanya says, Mahaprabhu, what did Mahaprabhu ask? What is sadhak vastu? What is Gurudev was saying before? Before doing sadhana, we have to know what is sadhak vastu. What is the object of our sadhana? We have to know what our target is. What is our goal? What do I want? Dharma, Artha, Kama is Chaturvarga. Is Murga, and Pancham Pusartha is Krishna
पहला
Prem.
में निर्णय लेना पड़ेगा
We have to
मुझे क्या चाहिए?
decide what do we want. These Purusharthas, there are 4 and the 5th is Bhakti.
उसके क्या करना पड़ेगा?
So if we want that,
वाणिज्य करना पड़ेगा, व्यवसाय वाणिज्य करना पड़ेगा,
we have to
व्यवसाय करना
do
पड़ेगा,
we have to
बिजनेस
do
करना पड़ेगा।
endeavor. If wants to get someone wants to buy something, get rich, he has to do some business.
धर्म अर्थ
There is dharma, artha, kam,
त्रिवर्ग का है।
trivarga.
संसार के लोग त्रिवर्ग में ही पड़े रहते हैं
What it translate me?
और इसके आगे जाकर के चतुर्वर्ग की तरफ यानी मुक्ति के लिए
Afterwards,
कोई जाता है।
fourth is Mukti.
मुक्ति के लिए कौन जाते हैं?
Who wants to
जब
go
ये
for
संसार की
Mukti, liberation?
दुख और सुख के भली भांति अनुभव कर रही है।
Person who experienced
ये तो
the
शास्त्र में लिखा लिखा है। अच्छी
sadness
तरह
and
से
worries
देखिए
and
संसार
happiness in
दुखमय
this
है
world.
कि सुखमय है।
This world is happy or sad. You should see this.
सुख और दुख के अनुभव नहीं किया।
A person who have not experienced the happiness and sorrow in this world, he cannot grow up in his life.
तस्मात् गुरुं प्रपद्ये जिज्ञासु श्रेयोत्तमम्।
So you should understand this.
ब्रह्मणं वा समासः। परीक्षा लोगों से पहली लाइन दो लाइन
First two lines in this shloka is mentioned.
इस संसार में देखकर भारी वर्दी देखे।
You should understand in this world is full of happiness or sorrow.
दुख और सुख को चखा ही नहीं है।
If you have not tasted the happiness and sorrow in this world, how you will understand?
कुछ समय के बाद
After few time, what will happen?
पुनः उसी का भाव समझ
You understand this meaning?
फिर वो चूहा बन जाएगी।
That person will become again mouse. You know this story?
चूहे के मुख से जो है एक चूहा जो है
From
गिर गया। और वो
कौवा,
चूहा धरती पर एक संत महापुरुष
bush,
की चरण आसन
kawa.
पर।
From the crow mouse, a crow
एक
mouse,
बिल्ली जो
mouse
है,
came
वो
out,
चूहा की तरफ पकड़ने के लिए।
and then the cat was trying to catch that mouse, and that cat becomes so afraid. Cat wants to catch that mouse, and she was afraid. And that cat, she went to the sadhu son that can you please help me? And she make that cat to the dog, and the cat was turned into dog. And then dog was going here and there, and after some time, one lion, he was attacking on the dog, and then with his mantras, with his Riddhi Siddhi, he make the dog, he convert the dog into the lion. And then when the lion, he was attacking to that same Sant Mahatma, so he said, "Oh foolish, I made you from mouse to lion, and what are you doing? You are attacking me." My Gurudev used to say, there was an article, Guru Mara Vidya. You learn from the Guru, and now you are attacking back to the Gurudev. You are foolish. You again become mouse. That lion become mouse. What does it mean? What is the moral of the story? So initially we have to understand there is happiness or sorrow. If a person have not experienced this happiness and sorrow, then person can fall down. So you should understand. So Upanishad, it is mentioned that you should understand all these things. Like how many you will be fall down, then you will understand more embarrassment, more. If you want medicine, then you have to take the suggestion from three mata. Three mata means the old person, they have more experience. The three mata means this knees. Three knees. Many people are just speaking. Many people are saying like Rupa Goswami, and after some time what happened? They just fall down. I'm not saying for everyone.
भजन सत्संग
Maybe
करता है।
somebody have done in previous birth, they have done so much sadhan bhajan.
और केवल शास्त्र रट लिया
If some people have not done bhajan in their previous birth and they just reading the shastra, so what will happen? Chitpat. Chitpat means again they will become mouse. They will fall down. So my Gurudev used to say this story.
सलाह लेना है
So if you want the suggestion, so you have to go the experienced person.
डॉक्टर के पास
If you
जाओ,
want
डॉक्टर
to know you want any advice, you should go to the experienced person.
self
Not here and
realization
there.
का best
Self-realization is the best realization.
जब तक अनुभव नहीं हुआ,
If you will not get
बात किसी
experience,
के साथ सुन लिया सब।
everybody is listening the stories. Nobody karta. So Upanishad, these stories are
देखिए
mentioned.
संसार दुखमय है, दुखमय है।
You should understand this world is full of
हम
happiness
यही
and
तरह हो
sorrow.
सकता है पूर्व जन्म में आप सब
It may be happen in previous birth you have done the sadhan bhajan. It can happen
किंतु
also.
यदि कोई पुरुष
But
के भजन साधन
if some person have not done sadhan bhajan in their previous birth, and then Maya will try to catch that person.
बादशाह
The person who is speaking long stories. So
हमारे त्रिविक्रम महाराज जी
Maya Devi will catch that person. Trivikram Maharaj used to tell this story.
इसमें करे
So that's why I'm saying.
इसमें करे हमें सार्थक वस्तु हमें पहले निर्णय लेना
So first we have to decide the sadhya vastu. What is the goal of our life?
हमें धन कमाना है
We have to earn the money.
धर्म एक
Dharma, artha, काम.
इसके त्रिवर्ग का है
These are called
इसके ऊपर आगे जाना पड़ेगा मुक्ति के लिए हमें जाना
three varga.
है।
Then we have to go towards mukti. What is
अच्छी तरह से
mukti?
इसका ज्ञान होनी चाहिए
You should carefully understand what is mukti. So Upanishad, there is step by step mention all
और
these
इसके
things.
बाद जब अनुभव हो जाता है
And then when you experience these things,
जीव की चरम
then
उद्देश्य
a person, they don't want liberation also. They don't
और
want
इसके आगे
mukti.
जाने के बाद
And afterwards,
पंचम प्रेम की
Pancham
बात।
Puruषartha. Pancham Puruषartha.
प्रभु
Krishna prem.
Fifth benefit for the human being.
Fifth benefit of human being. So you should, first of all, everybody is doing sadhan bhajan, but first we have to make our goal. Why we are doing sadhan bhajan? Everybody is doing Harinam.
किंतु हरिनाम के हम करने के हमारे उद्देश्य क्या है?
Why we are doing Harinam? What is goal? You should understand.
उसमें लिखा है
Gurudev also used to tell
उसमें लिखा है
in his
मतलब
book
सब लोग आगे बाबा संप्रदाय अनेक लोग संप्रदाय
from Baba Sampradaya, they are coming. They were asked, why you are doing Harinam? You tell.
बाबा जी वेश ले लिया
Babaji, they also took sannyas. What is their goal?
हमारा साध्य क्या है?
What is your sadhya?
कोई कहता हम तो कुछ जानते नहीं।
They said we don't know. We just took sannyas. We don't know anything.
सन्यास ले लिया
We just took sannyas.
अरे किसने सन्यास
Why you took sannyas? What is your goal?
ये तो होनी चाहिए ना
You should have some goal.
हरिनाम कर ले
You are doing
हरिनाम
Harinam.
कर किसने करे
Why you are taking the Harinam? You want liberation. You want wealth. Harinam is very merciful. Harinam Prabhu can give you everything. Nam Prabhu is very merciful. With the Nama Bhas you can get everything. If some person is able to get Shuddha Bhakti, if a person gets Shuddha Bhakti, then this Dharma Artha Kam, they are falling to that person. So Mahaprabhu first he asked, he's asking about sadhan. Mahaprabhu is asking, what is your sadhya vastu? What we want? What is our goal? Then you have to do the sadhan, the process. You have to want to take the flight. First you have to decide your destination. You will say, give me air ticket. So first of all you have to decide where you have to go. Destination you have to decide. In the same way, Mahaprabhu is asking this question, what is our sadhya vastu? What is our goal?
साधन करना
Like whatever sadhya vastu is we have, like same process or sadhan he will
दान
do.
पुण्य आदि करो
If somebody wants to go
वो
Swarga,
भी जैसे भी है
heavenly
सब होता
planets,
है
so that
सब मान दिया
person
तो
will
मान दिया
do some
सब में
charity,
पूछ
the
जाओ
donation. If you will
हाँ
donate some
ऐसे नहीं
blankets,
होता
some food,
उसके लिए
something,
देखो स्वर्ग में
no,
पहुंचने के
not
लिए
possible. For going
शास्त्र
to
में लिखा
heavenly
है
planets, this is
अनेक
mentioned in the
प्रकार जो है
scripture.
कठोर
You have to do
वैराग्य
many
आपके
hard austerity or
दान पुण्य आदि
austerities.
करके
You have to do many
उपनिषद और होम
charities.
आदि बताए ये सब लिखा है
All these things are mentioned in
इनका
the
तो
scriptures.
हम कोई निंदा नहीं करें आपको
I'm not
हम सिर्फ एक
criticizing
लाइन कर रहे हैं
anything. You
शास्त्र
don't
नहीं
think like
बताए
this. These are the
दो
words
चार
of
नंबर मार
scriptures.
दिया सोचने लगे
They
मैं
are
स्वर्ग में
reading
हूँ
2-3
इतने सहज नहीं है
pages of the scriptures,
हैं?
and they are
हाँ
thinking
दो
that
चार
we will
नंबर
go
पर
to the
आपको
heavenly
पुण्य
planets.
हो जाएगा
Oh, you can get
उस
some
पुण्य के
pious
फलस्वरूप
activities,
अगले जन्म में
and with that pious activities,
ज्यादा कम्बल मिल जाएगा
you will get more blankets in next birth.
दो कम्बल दे
If
दिया
you have
अगले जन्म
donated 2
में
blankets in the
कितने
next
मिलेगा
birth, you will get.
ये बोले ले जाएंगे ले जाएंगे ले जाएंगे
He is saying that you will
हाँ
get
इससे
12.
ज्यादा नहीं मिलेगा
You will not get any
स्वर्ग
more
में थोड़ी
things.
जाएंगे स्वर्ग में
A
ऐसे
person will not go
जाना
to
ऐसे
heavenly
थोड़ी
planets. It's not easy to go heavenly
स्वर्ग
planets as
आदि में
well.
जाने के लिए
For going to
और
heavenly planets,
ऐसे ऐसे पुण्य आदि करना
you
पड़ेगा
have to go do many pious activities.
इसलिए कहते हैं भाई
So
हम इसलिए कर रहे हैं
that's why,
जो स्वर्ग में जाना चाहता
who
है
wants
दान
to
पुण्य
go
आदि
heavenly
करना
planets, that person is
उससे
doing
आगे लोग में
charity,
जाने के लिए किस
donations.
प्रकार कठोर
If
वैराग्य
somebody wants to go forward, then that person is doing more
किंतु ये सब स्थान
austerities.
क्या है अनित्य का है
So these places are
किंतु भी
temporary.
से तुम भुक्ता
These are not permanent, these are temporary.
सर्वलोक में चले जाए कठोर
If somebody person is going to heavenly planets after doing many pious activities, many charities, if they have reached to the heavenly planets, but after few time they have to come back into this material world and then have to wander in this cycle of birth and death. So that's why
ये हमारे साथ वस्तु नहीं
this is not
सर्व
our
आदि
sadhya
प्राप्ति
vastu
करना ये
to
सब
attain
हमारे
heavenly planets. This is not our sadhya. This is not our goal.
यह तक भी ब्रह्म आत्मा भगवान लोका प्राणवर्तने सोचनो गीता में भगवान
In Gita, Lord is saying,
ब्रह्मलोक तक भी पहुंचे
if somebody have reached to the Brahmalok, Satyalok,
वे पुनः संसार
and then again he have to come back into this material world. If somebody reach to this Lord place,
तात्पर्य कि हम जो साधन
then he
संपन्न
don't have to come
कहाँ
back in
जाना
this
है?
material world. So first of all, you have to decide. First of all, you have to decide where you have to go. Raise your hand. Who wants to go Vaikuntha Lok?
कोई नहीं जाना नहीं चाहता
Nobody wants to go. Oh, she raised her hand. She wants to go Vaikuntha.
चलो लोग कुमार को आगे चले जाओ
Hey, Govinda Sundari, she raised.
कोई बात नहीं वैकुंठ से
Okay, if you want to go Vaikuntha, then you can go Ayodhya, then Mathurapuri. No problem.
हमारे उद्देश्य क्या है इसलिए हम
What is our goal?
प्रभु का एक बड़ा श्लोक साध्य को नहीं साध्य वस्तु क्या है
What is our Sadhya Vastu? First, you have to decide this. What is our goal? Gaudiya Vaishnav Sadhya Vastu, what it is? Radha Dasya. We want to become servant of Srimati Radharani.
एक मतलब जीवन की आशा है
What is our hope of life? What is our goal of life? We have to become servant of Srimati Radharani, maid servant of Srimati Radharani.
किंतु हमें धीरे धीरे महाप्रभु
But Mahaprabhu,
ये सुनना चाहते
slowly he wants to
कि आप
listen.
हमारे तो साध्य वस्तु क्या
What is our Sadhya Vastu, our goal? Radha Dasya. How to attain this Radha Dasya? We have to go from down and then go upward. Just in 2 minutes I will finish. Mahaprabhu, Rai Ramanan starting from there. We have, our goal is Radha Dasyam. This is Sadhya Vastu, this is the goal. But rather Rai Ramanand, what he is telling, Rai Ramanand, he is telling about Varnashram Dharma first of all. So he is also giving the evidence. Mahaprabhu said to Rai Ramanand, whatever you will say, you have to give the evidence. You cannot say anything by your mind. No, you should give the evidence. You should give the evidence from the scripture. So Rai Ramanand, Rai Ramanand is also giving evidence from the scriptures. Actually,
संतोष प्रीति कैसे होगी?
Vishnu, how he will be satisfied. Vishnu Bhagwan, how he will be satisfied when somebody will do properly this Varnashram Dharma. He will follow this Varnashram. So a person, if he will not follow the Varnashram Dharma and he is doing everything by his own way, so actually that person is not doing sadhan bhajan. Lord himself has given the rules and regulations. We have to follow all that things. We have to follow the Varnashram Dharma. Lord Ramchandra, he also established this Varnashram Dharma. How you have to respect your mother, father. How you have to stay in this world, and how you have to respect to your parents, and how you have to give love and affection to everyone. Ramchandra had taught this. If you want to make happy to Lord Vishnu, then you have to follow Varnashram Dharma. Mahaprabhu said, this is outside thing. Some people are saying that this is external. We want internal. We will take internal. We will consider internal. So first of all, you should consider this external. First of all, you have to follow Varnashram Dharma properly. Mahaprabhu, why he is saying like this? Gurudev used to say this. Mahaprabhu wants to listen. Mahaprabhu wants to hear. Mahaprabhu word, he used the word Savrup Anubandhi Vritti. What is the Savrup of the Jiva? Mahaprabhu wants to listen this. If somebody is following this Varnashram Dharma, you cannot attain the Lord. If somebody wants to attain the Lord, you have to follow the Varnashram Dharma and go forward. If somebody is following this 4 ashram, 4 varna and 4 ashram, somebody is following properly. They are following this properly. But if not, they have done Krishna bhajan, then they have to go to then that person have to go in a Rorav. One type of hell name is Rorav. That person will go to that place. If you have followed this Varnashram Dharma properly, but you don't have taste in Harikatha, you don't have taste in service of the Lord, then everything is waste. So Mahaprabhu wants to listen Jiva Unvatti Vritti. Mahaprabhu wants to listen this. What is the Savrup of a Jiva? Now I will finish soon. Rainamanand started like this. Rainamanand started.